Hi, I'm Dean Darren, and today I'm going to tell you all about our English Gardens Premier Collection Christmas Tree Lights. Over the last 40 years, we've become famous for our light sets working year after year. We work directly with the factories, making the lights to our specifications. From our LED lights that are long-lasting, vibrant colors, and most importantly, a sealed bulb technology that prevents moisture from getting into the sockets, and this keeps the light sets working year after year. Our incandescent lights are a 3,000 hour bulb that has a 200 milliamp brightness. This bulb is specially designed to be twist proof with a lamp lock, and again, that adds to reliability. So if you want Christmas lights that are going to last year after year, these are the light sets you want to buy. My name's Dean Darren, helping you make your Christmas bright.